Hi, today in this video we show you how to create these super cute and beautiful paper earrings. They are made of black paper and glitter paper in red and in silver. Okay, let's get started to create these super cute paper earrings. We will need a circle punch, bigger, smaller, for these two parts, and we will cut two pieces of black paper for each earring, so two pieces that we will glue together. Okay, with some tacky glue. Okay, and we will glue together our two pieces of black paper. Press down, okay, leave it to dry. Now we will cut the red paper, and we will use glitter paper. 1, 2, and we will glue this to one of these piece of paper. Glue together this post earring, okay, and leave it to dry. Now we will need to glitter this part with some nail polish, and we will use something to put and to glitter our paper here. Voila. And with a toothpick. Voila. Okay, you can glitter one part and then the other one after. Okay, leave it to dry. In the meantime, we will put together these two parts, and we will need to punch a hole here in the center of this in order to cover the other part, and we will use some glue, white glue. Voila. So here, press down our glitter paper, press down. Voila. Okay, voila, leave it to dry, and then we will put together these two parts. Now we will need a jump ring in order to attach together the two pieces of the earring, and we will need to punch a hole here. Voila. Here, and from this part in. Okay, and now we will need to punch a hole here. Okay, voila. Now, before attaching together these two parts, we will cut the two paper art with our punch, one in red and one in silver. Voila. And the other one in silver. And Now we will need to glue together these two. Voila. And then we will glue together these to our earring. Voila, in this way. No, no, sorry. I think I put a super small amount of glue. Now it's okay. Voila. Okay. And after glue the two paper art, we will use the nail polish to cover also this part. It's better because at the end your paper earring will be waterproof, so you can wear with every weather and in every situation. Okay, now we will glue our paper art to our black paper. Too much glue. Okay, and then voila, put this here, press down, voila, in this way. Okay, press down, and then leave it to dry. In the meantime, we will glue attach together with the jump ring our earring, the two parts. Voila. Here, and then no, it's too small, a little bigger, it's better. Voila. Okay, now it's perfect. Our whole, voila, perfect. Now we will need to close the jump ring, and here, oh sorry, I put this together in the wrong way, sorry. Okay, just a second. Okay, the other part. Just a second. Okay, now voila. Here the earring, and now you can give some other nail polish. You can cover your earring with some nail polish, and they will become waterproof, and they will seem like a sort of I don't know, polymer clay. They will seem something similar to polymer clay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.